Let's make the best Tequila Sunrise cocktail. Ingredients needed: tequila, freshly squeezed orange juice, grenadine, oranges. We will need a Collins glass for the Tequila Sunrise cocktail. With the help of a kitchen brush, spread agave syrup or simple syrup on the side of the glass. Spread the syrup on one side of the glass on the entire height of it. Spread sprinkles of tajin on top of area with syrup. In this way, we will create a nice red texture in the look of the glass. Let's start by adding half an ounce of grenadine. Top the glass with big clear ice cubes. Add 2 ounces of Blanco tequila. With the help of the bar spoon, add 4 ounces on the glass. Add the orange juice slowly so the red of the grenadine will not mix with the orange juice. Top the remaining part of the glass with ice. For decoration, cut an orange wheel. Mix the cocktail slowly with a bar spoon in a way that the red color of the grenadine stays in the end of the glass. Add more grenadine on top if you want your cocktail to have a darker color. Decorate with the orange wheel. Enjoy the Tequila Sunrise cocktail.